Hi, why you hear that popping, clicking sound in your hip while trying to lift your leg? Well, it could be due to multiple reasons, like hip joint cavitation. When the hip joint is stretched or moved, gas bubbles in the joint fluid can collapse, which causes that pain. Could be to tightness of the muscles surrounding the hip joint area. Most common one, hip flexor tendinitis. Inflammation of a hip flexor tendon can cause clicking and popping sound because it gets thicker and takes up more space to move, and then it rubs into surrounding tissues. It could be due to a tear in the cartilage ring that surrounds the hip socket, and could be due to bone spurs too. If the popping sound persists or is accompanied by pain, stiffness, or limited mobility, consult a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation and treatment plan.